truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Auto Nihon, where we dive deep into all things automotive. Today, we're taking an early look at the 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500, a truck that's shaping up to be a familiar face, but with some exciting tweaks under the hood and on the outside. While it's not getting a full redesign just yet, there are still plenty of updates worth talking about. So buckle up because we're breaking down everything you need to know. The 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500 is set to hit US dealerships this fall, specifically in late 2025. But here's the scoop behind the scenes. Production actually kicks off much earlier. The first units roll off the line starting July 7, 2025, with regular cab models following shortly after on July 14th. And if you're eager to get your hands on one, dealers began configuring orders online as early as May 1st, with processing starting mid-May. So while it might feel like business as usual for now, these dates are crucial for anyone planning to snag one of these bad boys fresh off the lot. Now let's talk aesthetics. For 2026, Chevy isn't reinventing the wheel, but they are giving us two brand new paint colors to choose from: Polar White Tricoat and White Sands. These vibrant new shades replace the outgoing iridescent pearl Tricoat and slate gray metallic. Whether you're looking for something bold or subtle, these additions give buyers even more ways to personalize their ride. And speaking of personalization, the ZR2 model is getting some serious love this year. It'll come standard with the technology package, which includes goodies like a rear camera mirror, a massive 15-inch head-up display, adaptive cruise control, and a power-adjustable steering column, and the multi-flex tailgate. That last feature alone makes loading gear easier than ever. Under the hood, the 2026 Silverado sticks to what works. You'll still have access to the same lineup of powerful engines as previous years, including the turbocharged 2.7-liter i4, the reliable 5.3-liter V8, the beastly 6.2-liter V8, and the efficient 3.0-liter Duramax diesel. No hybrid option yet. Rumor has it, though, that Chevy's saving that tech for the big 2027 redesign. For those who prioritize performance without compromise, rest assured, you've got plenty of muscle to work with right out of the gate. Inside, the 2026 Silverado offers a mix of practicality and premium touches. Depending on the trim level, you can go from basic work truck simplicity to the upscale comforts of the high country. Standard across the board, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto (TM), along with automatic climate control. But wait, there's more. Available upgrades include a stunning 13.4-inch touchscreen display, dual-zone climate control, and even household-style power outlets. Plus, expect improvements to the infotainment system, making connectivity smoother than ever before. Safety remains a top priority for Chevy. The 2026 Silverado comes standard with forward collision warning, lane departure alerts, lane keeping assist, a rear view camera, and automatic high beam headlights. But if you want to take things up a notch, optional features like a surround view camera system, rain sensing wipers, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert are ready to keep you safer than ever. And for those towing heavy loads, enhanced semi-autonomous driving tools and advanced trailer controls make life easier when you're hauling gear. This truck truly has your back, literally and figuratively. As for pricing, details are still under wraps, but expect slight increases compared to the 2025 model. Current trims will likely carry over, so whether you're eyeing the base WT or splurging on the high country, there's something for every budget. But here's the kicker. The real magic happens in 2027. That's when Chevy plans to unveil a fully redesigned Silverado, complete with a 6th-gen small-block V8, an optional plug-in hybrid powertrain, and the updated T1-2 platform. Until then, the 2026 model keeps the legacy alive with solid updates and proven reliability. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500? Or are you holding out for the big 2027 revamp? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. The